Hello everyone, my topic is list reasonably used string and I'm going to be solving the reference to given in the screen. So number of frames is 3, so the maximum number of pairs that can be allocated is 3. So starting off with 7, and then we allocate 7 and 0, and then we take 7, 0 and 1, and page faults occur. So we have 2. So the least recently used page is 7, so we replace 7 with 2, and there is a page fault again. And you already have 0, so it doesn't change, and there is no page fault. Coming to 3, so the least recently used one is 0, 2, and 1. So we replace 1 with 3, and page fault occurs. Then moving on to 0, again nothing changes, no page fault. And then we have 4, so the least recently used is 2, so replace 2 with 4, and page fault occurs. And moving on to 2, so the least recently used is 3, so we replace 3 with 2, page fault occurs. And then coming to the next one, 3, so the least recently used is 0, so 0 is replaced by 3, 2 remains the same, and page fault. And moving on to the next one, 0, so the least recently used is 4, so 4 is replaced with 0, 3 and 2 remains the same, page fault. So next 3, so it remains the same, so no page fault. And then 2, it remains the same, no page fault. 1, so the least recently used is 0, so 0 is replaced with 1, and 3 and 2 remain the same, page fault occurs. And then 2, so it remains the same, there is no change. 1, it remains the same again, no change, no page fault occurs. And 2 again, it remains the same, no page fault. So 0, the least recently used is 3, so we replace 3 with 0, page fault occurs here. So 1, no difference, 0, 2, no page fault. And then 7, at least recently used is 2, so we replace 2 with 7, page fault occurs. And 0 and remain the same, so no page fault. 0, 7, no page fault. So here number of page faults, page faults 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The total number of pages 5, 6, 7, 16, 17, 22. 22 are the total. So it equals 12 by 22, and miss equals 10 by 20. Thank you.